Oh, what's up, YouTube? So I have found some time to pretty much just make a video showing how to pretty much just make a precious rock by making the rock more transparent. Having made many videos explaining different ways to do that, but in this video, just gonna show you a way that I'd recommend. So as you can see, try the approach of a lamp, pretty much it's just what it looks like, following the logic of everything else I said. It's just we use light bulbs, leave lights on, and it's still affordable. So try what I did in this picture I took of what I've been doing with mine. You do want to check to make sure that the temperatures are right so that it won't catch on fire. Some depends on the watt, the voltage depends on where you do it, and several factors. Make sure that where you're doing it, the voltage of the stuff you're using is good enough so that nothing will catch on fire. Same thing with your rock. Make sure it's the kind of rock based on its thickness and element that it won't catch on fire. Now, it's pretty much implied this is a way to do it, but based on what I've already talked about, it's kind of a no-brainer that this would also be a way that could work. But I'm making this video because it also is a form of resistance against tyranny. Speak about the truth about this. Even if it's obvious to me that this is possible, whether it is obvious to others or not, it's still a form of resistance against tyranny to make a video that that I believe is truth, that tyrants don't believe is the truth, and that so anyway, that's it for this video.